Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x power 7 plus x power 5 plus x power 3 and divided by x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4. This is equals to 81 over 27. Here we need to calculate the all possible values of x. Look carefully this question. If you substitute x is equals to 0, then denominator part is 0. And numerator part is also 0, and in left hand side 0 over 0. This is indeterminate form, so here we can say x not equals to 0. Now x power 7 plus x power 5 plus x power 3 and divide by x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4. This is equals to 81 divided by 27, then you will get 3. Now look carefully in left hand side. If numerator and denominator divide by x power 5, then this x power 7 is divided by x power 5, then you will get x power 2 plus x power 5 divided by x power 5, then here 1 plus x power 3 divided by x power 5, then here 1 over x power 2 and divide by x power 6 divided by x power 5, then x plus x power 5 divided by x power 5, then here 1 plus x power 4 divided by x power 5, then 1 over x, and this is equals to 3. Now we have x square plus 1 over x square plus 1 and divide by x plus 1 over x plus 1. This is equals to 3. Here if we apply substitution and substitute x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m. If we take square both sides, then x plus 1 over x whole squared, this is equals to m square. In left hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, a plus b whole squared, and value of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times a b. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then x plus 1 over x whole square is x square plus 1 over x whole square plus 2 times x times 1 over x, and this is equals to m square. This x and this x is cancelled out, then x square plus 1 over x square plus 2, this is equals to m square. Then value of x square plus 1 over x square, this is equals to m square minus 2. Now this x square plus 1 over x square is replaced by m square minus 2. Here m square minus 2 and then plus 1, and this expression x plus 1 over x is replaced by m plus 1. This is equals to 3. In left hand side, m square minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 over m plus 1. This is equals to 3. M square minus 1 divided by m plus 1, and this is equals to 3. Now if we multiplied both sides, m plus 1. Here if we multiplied by m plus 1, and here if we multiplied by m plus 1, then this m plus 1 and this m plus 1 is cancelled out. In left hand side, m square minus 1, this is equals to this 3 is multiplied by m plus 1. Let us consider 1 power 2, because 1 power 2 is also 1. And in left hand side if we apply a square minus b square, which is difference between two squares, a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So m square minus 1 square is m plus 1 times m minus 1, and this is equals to 3 times m plus 1. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then m plus 1 times m minus 1 minus 3 times m plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now m plus 1 is common. If we take m plus 1 is common, m plus 1 is common, then you will get here m minus 1 minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Then here m plus 1 times m minus 4, this is equals to 0. We have m plus 1 times m minus 4, this is equals to 0, and in left hand, and here if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then this m plus 1 is a and this m minus 4 is b. So m plus 1, this is equals to 0, or m minus 4, this is equals to 0. Then value of m is equals to minus 1, or value of m is equals to 4. We have two possible values of m. First value of m is minus 1. This is case first. And second value of m is 4. This is case second. M is equals to minus 1. Solve case first. And we know that m is equals to x plus 1 over x. So this m is replaced by x plus 1 over x, and this is equals to minus 1. Now if we multiplied both side x, because here x is present in denominator, then x is multiplied by x, then x square plus x is multiplied by 1 over x, and this is equals to minus 1 is multiplied by x, then you will get minus x. X square plus x times 1 over x is 1, and this is equals to minus x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. We have x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of x. Here value of a is equals to 1, and value of b is also 1, and value of c is 1. And x is equals to quadratic formula. Here we will apply quadratic formula, and quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 1 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is also 1, and divided by 2 times and value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2, and x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3, same as square root of 3 times iota divided by 2. Here we have first solution x1, this is equals to minus 1, and if we take positive sign, square root of 3 times iota divided by 2. And second value of x2, this is equals to minus 1, and if we take negative sign, square root of 3 times iota divided by 2. Now solve case second. And case second is m is equals to 4. M is equals to 4. And we know that value of m is x plus 1 over x. X plus 1 over x, this is equals to 4. Now if we multiplied both side x, then here x. x is multiplied by x, then you will get x square, plus x is multiplied by 1 over x, then you will get here 1, and this is equals to 4 times x. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 4 times x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. If we add both sides 3, then in left hand side this expression is perfect square. Here x square minus 4 times x plus 4, and this is equals to 3. Look carefully this expression. Here if we apply middle term split, then x square minus 4x is minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, this is equals to 3. Look carefully first two terms and then last two terms. In first two terms, if we take common x, then you will get x square divided by x, then here x minus 2x divided by x, then here minus 2. Here if we take common minus 2 and minus 2x divided by minus 2, then you will get x plus 4 divided by minus 2, then you will get minus 2, and this is equals to 3. Now here if we take common x minus 3, then here, sorry, x minus 2, then you will get here x minus 2 and here x minus 2, and this is equals to 3. Now x minus 2 times x minus 2 is x minus 2 whole squared, and this is equals to 3. If we apply this rule, if a square this is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. Now then x minus 2 this is equals to plus minus square root of 3. If we add both sides 2, then x is equals to 2 plus minus square root of 3. Now third solution, 2 plus square root of 3, and fourth solution, x is equals to 2 minus square root of 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.